Hey everyone, it's Marianne Maldonado. I'm here for Hit Kit Club today, and I'm using the February 2023 kits. I'm going to use the main kit, the Pocket Life kit, and the embellishment kit. I'm going to use those flowers, and then I'm going to use the color kit, and I believe I'm using 16 candles is the purple color that you'll see. And we're going to make this layout today. I started with this piece of paper. It was a full sheet, and off screen I fussy cut out 10 of the little frames from that piece of paper, I think. And I printed my pictures 1 inch by 1¼ inch by 1¼ inch. So yes, they are very small. However, I had several photos and I wanted to get all photos onto one layout, and I love how it actually comes out in the end. So I hope you will too. But my favorite piece of paper, oh, excuse me, this time change thing, does it bother you guys at all? It's driving me insane. I cannot catch up on my sleep. Anyway, sorry about that. That purple florally piece of paper is my all-time favorite piece of paper in this kit. I absolutely love it. But I did want to use just a small piece of it as the framing of all of these little mini frames that I cut out. So I backed the photos with foam tape, and then I placed the photos on top of the fussy cut frames, and then I put them within the frame of the paper. So I guess I'm going to say frame a lot in this layout, or in this video. Sorry about that. So I added some of the chipboard flowers, which I wish I had duplicates of. I absolutely love them. I placed down one of the chipboard circles on that flower over to the bottom right, but then changed my mind and move it to the left. To use the purple 16 candles ink that comes in the color, in the February 2023 color kit. And it matches the purples in the papers, but I didn't get them in the right placement. I thought I could do it by the lines on the paper. Anyway, I had to re-ink the top layer. I wanted to make sure there was just enough of the little hearts peeking above and below the section of paper that I have, but not too much. I wanted them to look like they were just peeking out, not a whole lot of detail. Maybe just like detail from the paper itself, not from stamping too much. So I do like how it turned out. I finished adding a little bit more chipboard flowers to the one circle. One frame, I'm sorry. I thought I was going to add some stamping to those frames, but it just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. So, and I also thought I was going to add twine to that tag and change my mind and get out the die that is the little bow. You can see that right here. And I cut a purple bow and put that as the ribbon for the tag. So I think it's super cute. I've used this bow before on a couple of layouts, and standalone, it is adorable. I just absolutely love it. I love the wreath too, but the bow is spectacular. So I spell out the title. This is from my grandfather's service that we had at my grandmother's nursing home. So it was a bunch of family together, and I wanted to document the day. So I showed you this a little close up on how I do my stamps. I do one at a time. I don't try to line them up and then stamp all at once. But I hope you have been inspired, maybe to cut up that piece of paper or to use your favorite sheet of paper in a really fun way. I would love if you commented, left a thumbs up, or whatever you might have time for. I do appreciate it, and I will see you next time.